Thank God for every day, Maka Friday and payday. I'm just joking. Every day is a blessing that we should not take for granted. Welcome to my channel. I'm Black, I'm Bemba, and I'm proud. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so. It's getting hot in here and you're missing out. Today being a weekend, I want to believe Friday is majority's favorite day of the week because you get to put work aside. It's time to hang out, time to attend functions, time to catch up. For this reason, I picked one proverb that I want to provoke people's thoughts. Okay? On purpose, I picked this proverb so that I provoke you as you go through your weekend and many other weekends to come. This is because a lot of activities surrounding weekends involve spending some money. I won't say a lot of money because what may be a lot to me may be peanuts to the next person. Okay, before I get into the proverb, I wanted to clarify one thing. The proverbs I'm sharing, the interpretations that I'm giving are not gospel truth. They are not written somewhere the way I explain them. You won't find anywhere where this proverb is written and the interpretation is as I explain it on here. I learned these proverbs, I was taught these proverbs, but the interpretation is not how it was given. The moral of the lesson should remain the same, but my interpretation is different. I just had to find a way of sharing, making it relatable for people to relate to these proverbs easily. That is the reason I keep saying, if you know an interpretation that is different from mine, please type in the comment section below and let me also learn. Okay, so you won't find the examples that I give the way I give. I just want you to learn and understand. Things are easier remembered when someone gives you an example which is relatable. Let me get into that proverb. Amaka yamubiyo, tayabalilwa lubuli. Amaka yamubiyo, tayabalilwa lubuli. The translation is, you don't pick a fight banking on your friend's strength. Don't pick a fight banking on your friend's strength. Okay? This is because you may pick a fight counting on your friend who has muscles that they will defend you, and learn that the person you picked on is their relative or their friend, or the person you picked on can actually beat the one you are depending on. It won't end well for you. That's the translation. I'm just trying to add a funny twist to it. The interpretation is, don't depend on people for your survival. Don't depend on people for things that you want to achieve by yourself. Run your own race. Pick your own fights that you can manage. Okay? Now, coming back to why I chose it for the weekend activities. Weekends have always been there, but our weekends are different. There are baby showers, there are birthday parties, there are bridal showers, there are weddings, there are come-together barbecues, that are taking place. People are hosting, people are being invited to all these functions. There is nothing wrong with that. There is nothing wrong with attending. There is nothing wrong with hosting. However, to the people who want to host these functions, don't start these functions. Don't plan functions that you cannot fund by yourself, depending on other people. Because it's the in thing, everyone wants to have a birthday party, even when they can't afford it. So what do? They form committees. And they are saying, when my friends contribute, then I'll be able to hold this function. What happens when your friends don't come through? The people that you are putting on that committee, some of them will just accept for the sake of it, but may not come through. They won't contribute because they have other bills to pay. They have other responsibilities that are more important than your function. And to you, it will look like they are not good friends. They are not supportive. In the end, you lose good friends. You sour good relationships that you've had simply because you wanted to host a function that you cannot afford. Pick a fight when you have the muscle for it. Hosting a function that you cannot finance yourself is picking a fight that you don't have the muscle for. It is very wrong. Can we minimize that? Can we live within our means? There's nothing wrong with celebrating a silent birthday. Just pray, thank God He added another year to your life. Eat in Shima, you won't die. Life is everything. Okay, so these weekends are good. Let's enjoy them. Let's attend those functions, but let's not go beyond our means just to fit in, just to host, and to also shine because people are doing it. We also want something to post on social media. So like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more proverbs. For now, I hope this proverb provokes someone and makes you pick fights that you can actually finish. Good night.